Welcome friends! Today we are making one of my favorite desserts, banana cream pie minis. For this delicious recipe, you will need ready-made crab cracker crust. If you cannot find the small pie shells, you can use a large one. Bananas, whole milk, egg yolks, vanilla extract, cornstarch, sugar, and unsalted butter. Begin by making the banana pie filling. In the middle part, combine whole milk, egg yolks, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and sugar. Stir thoroughly, making sure there are no lumps. Now, over high heat, bring the filling to boil. When the filling begins to boil, reduce to low heat, continuing to stir until it thickens. Remove from heat and stir in the butter. Let the filling cool to room temperature before adding to the pie shells. Slice some banana and place into the pie shells. Top with whipped cream and sliced almonds. And here you have one of my favorite desserts, banana cream pie minis. Smooth, creamy, and delicious. You gotta try it. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.